Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta chips updated. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and spread slightly dry cooked pasta on a tray. Toss with 1 to 2 tablespoon oil, salt, and a mix of paprika and garlic powder. Press pieces flat so they crisp evenly. Bake 12 to 18 minutes, checking at 10 minutes to avoid burning. Transfer to a rack to cool and finish crisping, then enjoy warm or cooled. Make sure pasta is not wet before seasoning to prevent sogginess. Chill trays for 10 minutes if pasta starts to steam. Use a light hand with oil. You want coating, not pooling. Experiment with seasoning blends like chili lime, Italian herb, or parmesan and black pepper. Arrange pieces in a single layer so hot air reaches each chip. Rotate the tray halfway through baking for even color and crunch. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: try those leak-proof meal prep containers that keep crunchy snacks separate from sauces and make transport stress-free. They're perfect for bringing pasta chips to picnics without mess. I find they stack neatly and save time when prepping batches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Think of pasta chips like a canvas for bold flavors. Toss with grated parmesan and lemon zest for tang, or use smoked paprika and cumin for a BBQ vibe. For heat, add cayenne or chili powder to taste. Offer dips such as marinara, ranch, or a garlic aioli to add moisture and contrast. Label flavors clearly if serving a variety so guests know what they're tasting and can mix and match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.